Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So it is Tuesday before race day, and hold on, there, my finger's touching the screen. So it is Tuesday before race day. We got race day on Saturday, and race day is in the opener for the track for Test and Tune. Like I had said, the factory limited slip in that beast does not work. Saturday night, I went on QuickTime and I ordered a spool. Excuse me, Sunday night. And it's going to be here tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and rip that out. And I'm going to leave the 410 gears in and get some data this Saturday on 410 gears. If I don't like what I see, I might go ahead and throw those 350 gears back in and see what that goes. We'll have to see what happens. But let's go ahead and get those tore out. All right, so we got the ring gear off. I believe, in my opinion, this is looking really nice. Got a real nice pattern to it. So, but the unfortunate thing is, I torqued everything, I Loctited everything, and shit still came loose. So, this was brand new oil, and it doesn't have squat on it. But I'm guessing that's a lot of friction material. It's got maybe 30 miles on it, so I'm guessing that's a lot of friction material in there. One of those things you think isn't going to happen to you, and then it does. You put a brake bracket where you think it should be fine, and then it hits the bump stop. So, on the driver's side here, it completely smashed that, busted most of the bracket off. It's held on by a little tack right here. Chinked the tube, pushed it into the leaf spring perch. So we're going to go ahead and get that fixed before we put this all back together again, and go from there. So tomorrow, supposed to be getting the spool in. I sure hope it comes in. So I got all the parts from when I had put this thing together. So we'll go ahead and more than likely we'll need those bolts instead. And I still got the bearings for the carrier, so we're good to go there. We'll get those bearings in and go from there. So I'm going to leave this set up and stick around. We'll get this spool in here tomorrow. Alright, I'm going to keep this short and sweet because my battery's almost dead. Got the spool in. Works awesome. Great. Everything's working perfect for the spool. Engine. I'm pretty sure these wastegates are cheap eBay ones. They were supposed to have 10-pound springs in them. I'm pretty sure they have 6-pound springs in because that's where it will max out. I'll take a look at the data that I recorded. Track day is supposed to be tomorrow. Here's the bad thing. I was out testing today, make sure that everything was ready to go, and everything was going great. First gear, second gear shifts were were fine in town. Then I got out in the country, gave it a little bit, and it would just slip going in a second. So I pulled the transmission fluid. It nasty, burnt badly. So I was kind of hopeful. Put some new transmission fluid in it. Took it out. Everything was working great. The transmission was shifting the way it was supposed to. Perfect. I turned around on my way back, and I lost second gear. So that's where we're at now. So we get to pull the transmission, and we'll go from there. So stay continued, and like and subscribe if you want to keep on with the build. So catch you later.